Rags.
He squeals with delight.
Raggy.
Fisher, do you love Rags?
Rags, do you love Fisher? Do you love Fisher?
Do you love Fisher?
Look, Fisher.
That's the most excited I've seen him.
You want to go in for a look too?
That's the only time you see something his size.
Look, there she goes.